Hello, I'm Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, your Fuzion Exotic chef. And today I am going to make you a wonderful dish, and it's going to be called Wagyu beef with Corona dumpling spicy soup. I'll be back. I can't wait to share it to you. For our seasoning for our Wagyu beef, we're going to have a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and a couple of pinches of cayenne pepper, and also some black ground pepper. Mix this. This is a pound of Wagyu beef. I will be back. Let me just wash my beef, yeah? Clean hands! Yay! Look at our Wagyu beef. What I love about Wagyu beef is they have very good flavor meat. The fat on the Wagyu meat is so good for you. You will love it. But before I start, I wanted to say one of my favorite beef is Corona. So this is what we're going to use for our boiling point. Look at all the beers surrounding me. Don't they look fantastic? I have Corona Light. I have Corona Familiar. If you're not familiar to this, the taste of this is so super good. Time for cooking. All right, so after mixing all our ingredients here for our Wagyu beef, we're gonna sprinkle it like so. So while we're waiting for this to be marinated, what we're gonna do next is I had already prepped a beef broth, and this is 2.5 pounds of beef broth, as you can see over here. So I'm going to put my temperature to medium-high heat. So what we're going to do is we're going to add half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and 2 pieces of star anise. I would say half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Alright, so after adding our ground black pepper to our stock, what we're going to do now is we're going to start mixing the Corona. This is where we're going to boil the dumplings, yeah? So we're gonna open 2 bottles of Coronas. We're going to pour this baby into this other pot, like so. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And let's stir this. A little bit of ground black. Perfect. So put that in a medium-high heat. Let it boil. Is we're gonna start chopping the cilantro. Onions as well, and that is the size that we're going to use. If you do not like green onions, you can use garlic. So over here we have butter, and we're going to use some dumpling wrappers and an egg. This is the one that's gonna seal it. Put some egg. And right after that, we're going to grab our Wagyu beef here and put 1 green onion, a piece of green onion like so, and some cilantro on top of your green onions and your Wagyu beef. And I am going to just cut cubes to our butter here. So when you start eating your dumplings, the juice of the butter will release its flavor. Yum! Usually I would grab a bunch of it and make sure you seal it like so. Press it hard too. None of the goodies inside will come out from the dumplings. I prepped some more dumplings. Yeah. Alright, so this is already into the boiling point that I want. But remember, if you are going to cook this, at least let it boil for at least 15 to 20 minutes. And we're gonna let that be cooked for 3 to 4 minutes. Kindly flip them over. It's been cooking for 3 minutes. I'm just gonna wait another minute. Time to get our Wagyu dumplings. So I'm just gonna set them into a bowl like that. I'm gonna grab more green onions And of course, I'm gonna grab more cilantro. If you do not like cilantro, I'm gonna tell you parsley is good with this dish too. I am going to add some carrots like so. Time to get our soup. I'm going to add a little bit of the Wagyu beef. That's because I know with our broth that's gonna be cooked, so that's gonna be kind of like a medium well done for you. Yeah, thank you again for watching my cooking show here with Chef Coco Cruz, your Fuzion Exotic chef. I hope you get to share this to your families and your loved ones, and let's not forget our Corona beers. Yeah, cerveza. Isn't this fantastic? You get a pasta, a soup with Corona beer, and I'm telling you, this is going to be a talk for your family. So please, again, share this to your families, yeah, and enjoy. I'll see you guys again, yeah. Cooking with Chef Coco. Mwah! Enjoy. Oh yeah, baby. That's what you're doing, Sean. Okay, I'm like, love cilantro. For the marinade sauce. Oh shit, sorry. I messed up. Oh yeah, more cilantro. I want to say thank you to my older sister Eva. She's my mentor and trainer, and she dresses me up. And this is look at this beautiful dress. But anyways, thank you, Ate. I love you.